My name is Ricardo Valls, and today I will be talking about gemstones. Did you know that the most valuable gemstone in the world is the Pink Star diamond, which sold for a whopping $71.2 million at auction? Today we're diving into beginner tips on how to identify genuine gemstones from fakes in our GeoVoices. With so many varieties, colors, and synthetic options available, it's easy to get confused. But fear not, we've got you covered with some expert tips to help you spot the real deal. Let's start with the basics. When examining a gemstone, there are several key characteristics to consider. First, color. The hue and intensity can vary widely among different gemstones. Natural gems often have subtle color variations, while synthetics may appear too perfect or uniform. Next, clarity. Examine the stone for inclusions or blemishes. Most natural gemstones have some imperfections, while synthetic stones may be too flawless. Then, hardness. Different gems have varying levels of hardness. Use the Mohs scale as a reference. For example, diamonds are a 10 on the scale while quartz is a 7.